Hi viewers, welcome to my classroom. Today I'll be presenting on one of the brainstorming techniques, lotus blossom. Lotus blossom was originally developed by a management consultant, Yashao Matsumura from Clover Management Research in Shiba City, Japan. It is a structured brainstorming exercise used to expand on a central idea or a problem. The approach is pursued in ever widening squares until an issue is comprehensively explored. The surrounding ideas, which are developed in one way or another, provide several different alternative possibilities. Lotus blossom diagram is made up of 8 3 times 3 squares. The squares are arranged around a box in the center. The square in the center is called pistil, and the 8 squares surrounding the central box are called petals. To draw a lotus blossom diagram, we can use a single real paper or a digital page. The central box is called box I. I stands for idea. It carries the initial problem or a concept. Meanwhile, the boxes A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H are the ideas related to the initial concept in box I. Once you have drawn the lotus blossom diagram, write the central idea or a problem in the center of the diagram. Ideas related to the central idea were air pollution and climate change, deforestation, overpopulation, soil degradation, light and noise pollution, natural disaster, species extinction, water scarcity and water pollution are listed in the boxes surrounding the central idea. Next, we will brainstorm for ideas to fill the petals. Firstly, for petal A, the central idea is air pollution and climate change. So, in the boxes surrounding A, we have to put issues related to the concept. By the time we have done filling out the lotus blossom diagram, we will have 64 different ideas for environmental issues in Malaysia. If we were to dive deeper into any of these ideas, we can always create another blossom diagram, and we can put our favorite idea in the center again and start building 64 more ideas around it. The possibilities to create ideas using lotus blossom template is endless, but the process is organized and manageable on our own. So, try brainstorming using lotus blossom diagram.